morning. My name is Adar Gupta of class 3rd C. Today I am going to present a puppet show on NEP 2020. Ma'am, what is NEP 2020? It is new education policy according to which firstly it was 10 plus 2 has now changed into stages 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. What is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4? It means children will spend 5 years in foundational stage, 3 years in the preparatory stage, 3 years in the middle stage, 4 years in the secondary stage. What is secondary stage? It comprises classes from 9 to 10th classes. Yes, I know these classes is so difficult to choose subjects between science, commerce and arts. I only love playing football and solving maths. But now you can choose basic arts, crafts, games, sports, literature in addition to science and maths. Yay! I am very happy because of NEP 2020. It helped